bragging or I'm not expecting to win, but I can feel that you are my greatest contender, and I can feel that your answer genuine because the organization is seeking for genuine answer, genuine heart, not just a beautiful face and nice body, but a man with responsibility, the man that represents this pageant with the main purpose to be the voice and to raise awareness, inspire change, and encourage people. So, yun po, I am so happy na I believe that the score is very square. Kasi yung pati yung organization napaka-fair nila sa amin. Wala silang sinabi nito, ganyan-ganyan. No advantage. Just sinabi, do your best. If it's for you, it's for you.
Expect na to win.
I don't expect talaga to win. In everything that I do, I don't think that I can win, I will win. But I am thinking that I can win and I have a chance. And I think that sabi nga nila, I have a solid chance this time. So I would not waste the time or the opportunity na manalo. So thank you.
For the whole world,
and for
mga pageant fans from around the world, what would you like them to know about you? Who's Oliver?
I'm just a simple person, a person who have a lot of negative experience in life, but I am a true person. What I say, I mean it, and what I do, I love it. So I'm here not just for this competition, but also I'm here as being me, the Oliver that loves to inspire, loves fitness, and loves to socialize, to share my life, my experience, my learnings.
Okay, as the new man of the world, what should we expect from you as the title holder?
I would be more active on engaging in community services or to be used by the organization to help the Philippines in many ways through our crisis or problems. Those affected communities, I would like to reach them out.
Okay, finally message to everyone who supported you from day one until now that you got the title.
I just want to say thank you very much. I appreciate all your effort and all your sacrifices sa pag-video, sa pag-share, like, and everything else. Thank you so much po. Mabuhay Philippines!